Hi, it's Julian Meller, Easy Swinging Golf Coach. This weekend I received an email from a guy in Australia. I don't think I've ever read a more complex email in all my life. There must have been 15 questions about the golf swing on there, and about how you start the golf swing, what initiates the downswing, where should the fastest point in the golf swing be, what should I do with my weight, what should I do with my left arm, should my thumb be in a certain position within the golf swing, you name it, those questions were in there. I just can't understand how we're able to play golf with that many swing thoughts going through our head. And I know, unfortunately, I've been there, and I used to teach that way. I used to be a very complex teacher of the golf swing. But since I discovered the easy swing golf, and through Brian Sparks, his knowledge and helping simplify it, I just thought I'd make this video to clarify the 3 deadly don'ts within the easy swinging golf and the 6 principles, which ultimately turn into a feeling. And really, you want the feeling when you go to a golf course, not 15 swing thoughts going through your head. I mean, we've all been there, and we're all, we're looking on YouTube now probably, and we're looking for the answer. You have a natural golf swing within you. I would like to help you discover it by maybe taking away the things that are stopping you swinging well, and also taking away some of the complexity that's in the golf swing. So let's think about our 3 deadly don'ts first that the easy swinging golf coaches like to avoid. So deadly don't number 1, do not keep your head down. Don't keep your head down through impact. It's about the worst thing you can ever do with your body. It leads to poor movement in the golf swing, it leads to restriction. You'll see there that the body starts to collapse. It can make you hit the ground before the ball, you can top it, you can hit the golf ball too high, you can hook it, you name it. A myriad of things come from that one fault. So the ideal scenario, if you remember, you may have seen this on the other videos before, as soon as you hit the golf ball, go with it without hesitation. Yeah, as soon as you hit it, move with it. Number 2 deadly don't for us, left arm straight, or if you're right-handed, don't keep that left arm straight. The reason we don't like that to happen is tension is the number 1 enemy in the golf swing, and if your arm is straight, it's going to be locked up. Allow that arm to soften, and if it bends a little bit, that's absolutely fine with us. And our deadly don't number 3 is don't keep your lead foot pinned to the floor. So left-handed, right-handed, doesn't matter. So your front foot, don't keep that pinned to the floor, because of how poor the quality of movement's going to be, especially if you're a senior golfer. So what we say is allow your ankles to move freely in the golf swing. Don't keep it pinned. Can you see what happens to my knee? Then you might even see this reverse pivot going on from here. From there you'll back off it, and then people will tell you you've lifted your head up, which isn't true. Just allow your ankles to move nice and freely in the golf swing. So now let's recap our 6 principles, but ultimately we want those to turn into a feeling, not 6 swing thoughts. So principle number 1 is turning. Don't be afraid to turn. I'm sure it was Bobby Jones once said, 1 in 5,000 golfers turn enough. Don't be afraid to turn in your backswing. Talk about people coming over the top. Well, quite commonly, because they don't turn enough in the backswing, they tend to lift, they're already over the top, and then they come over the top a little bit more on the downswing. So if we turn freely, this should put you in a nice place at the top of your backswing. We don't really talk about positions, to be honest. It's a flowing movement, so I'm not too worried about over the top if we turn correctly. Number 2, weight shift. See how the body's how the weight is shifting from one foot to the other. So starts off pretty central, moves to the right, moves to the left. Great little practice, just actually lifting your foot off, and you'll see there that the weight is shifting. So in my takeaway, weight shifted to the right, weight shifted to the left. So there's the weight shift. Number 3, rhythm. Your best rhythm. So if we practice this exercise, as I've said many times before, I rehearse this easily 100 times a day. But you see there, my rhythm's pretty good. Another way, if you lose your rhythm, very simple exercise, just letting this move, so it's back, through, see how my body is moving in rhythm with the golf club. So what you don't want is to be fighting this. Go with it, your best rhythm. So turn back, turn through. Try not to rush that. Number 4, coordination. So again, if just to recap, what is coordination? 2 things happen. The body turns right and the body turns left is 1. The club swings backwards, the club swings forwards is 2. Let's put those 2 together and the whole movement starts to look coordinated. Keep my head down, look what happens. See, the body stops, the arm, the club head overtakes the body. That can cause a lot of shots to go left if you have that problem. Number 5, balance. I'm in lovely balance. So when I swing, holding a balanced finish. So again, commonly you'll see if your people keep their head down, they're forced off balance. That's just momentum pulling you off balance. So move freely. And our 6th thing, souplesse. Let's keep it relaxed. Tension's the number 1 enemy of the golf swing. Let's keep that body nice and relaxed. I'll just strike a couple of shots just to finish, just so we can piece all this together. So nice and relaxed. Try another one. Very simple, nice and smooth. Absolute cracker. Let me try one more. So nice balanced golf swings. Those were quite nice shots, to be honest. As always, if you've got any questions, drop me a line. Look at julianmellorgolfschool.com. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share if you're finding these helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.